Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix software update stuck on verifying update. So guys, if you are trying to update your software to the latest version but it is stuck on verifying update, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, this is very basic and simple. First of all, you have to drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, check your internet connection, and if it is working properly, then change your internet connection and connect to a strong Wi-Fi. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to open your settings again, and from here scroll it below, tap on general, scroll it below all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset your network setting for one time. And after this, go back and tap on VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. And after this, go back and from here tap on date and time and set your date and time properly from here and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.